Good morning, students. So, here we start with the new chapter, chapter 12, Algebraic Expression. As we all know that arithmetic is dealing with constant numbers, only numbers. Algebra is dealing with constant numbers plus variables like x, y, and any alphabet from A to Z. And arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, division, multiplication are also applicable to algebraic expressions. Expressions, we are aware of what algebraic expressions are and what is the difference between algebraic expression and algebraic equation. Algebraic expressions are like 5xy plus x square y, something like that, or we can say 3x bracket x plus y. So these are algebraic expressions where we just need to put the value of the variable and we can get the value. And what are equations? Equations has left hand side and right hand side, and in between they have equal to sign. So if I say 5x plus 10 is equal to 20. So it is very easy to find out the value of xy because I am saying LHS is 5x plus 10, which is equal to RHS, which is equal to 20. So what will be the value of x? The value of x will be 2, because if I put value of x as 2, so put it in left hand side, 5x plus 10, then 5x, that is 5x is 5 into 2 will become 10, and 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. So LHS is 20, RHS is also 20. So every algebraic equation will only have one solution. 5x plus 10 equal to 20 will only be possible, or it is only true for x equal to 2. It cannot be true for any other value of x. So every algebraic equation will have only one solution to it. So where we are doing algebraic expression here, that is x plus y minus 2, 4x plus 5. These are all algebraic things. So how expressions are formed? So let's see, x square, 2y square, 3x square, minus 5. These are our expressions where we need to put the value of x and we can get the answer for it. And every expression is formed using constants, variables, using arithmetic operators like plus, minus, multiplication and division. So if I say 3x square minus 5 is an expression, how has it formed? It is formed using 3 and 5 as constants. X is variable here, and what arithmetic operator have we used here? Multiplication and minus. 3x square minus 5. So 3 into x minus 5. So 3 and 5 are constants, x is variable, and multiplication and subtraction are two arithmetic operators used here. So, by using arithmetic operators, constants and variables, we can form expressions, algebraic expressions. We know what are variables, we know what are constants. Constant has a fixed value, variable will have various values. Now, terms of an expression. We need to understand what terms of an expression and factor mean. For example, there is an expression given 4x plus 5. So now here there are two terms. 4x and 5 are two different terms. First term is 4x, which is made of two factors, 4 and x. 4 into x is 4x, right? So the product of 4 and x makes 4x, the first term of the expression. Then an arithmetic operator, addition, is used. Then the second term is a constant, that is number 5. Similarly, there is an expression given 3x square plus 7y. How many terms are used there? Two terms are used. First term is 3x square. How will you write it? It is product of 3 into x into x. 3 is constant, x is variable. Plus is the arithmetic operator used here. 7y. That is 7 into y. 7 is constant, y is variable. So terms of an expression, first term and second term in this expression. First term is 3x square and second term is 7y. So those parts of an expression which form separately first and then added or subtracted or multiplied are known as terms. So look into the expression 4x square minus 3xy. It has two terms, 4x square and minus 3xy. First term is 4x square. It is made of product of 4 into x into x. And second term is minus 3xy. It is product of minus 3x and y. So what are the two terms in the expression? 4x square and minus 3xy. Terms are added to form expression. They are added, they are subtracted, they are multiplied, they are divided, and that's how they are formed. You have to form the expression. And what are the factors? Factors are the irreducible part. So, for example, if I say number 18, what are the factors of number 18? Factors of number 18 can be written as 6 into 3. So 6 can be further divided to 2 into 3. So factors of 18 becomes 2 into 3 into 3. It can also be written as 9 into 2. 9 can be broken further 3 into 3 into 2. So you have all done lowest common multiple prime factorization, highest common factor. ये सब आपने पढ़ा हुआ है class 6 में. So you know how we calculate till the last factor. uh, Beyond that it cannot be broken into whole number. So if I am breaking it till prime factor, वो प्राइम फैक्टर्स क्या है, होल नंबर्स है. उसके बियॉन्ड अगर हमें ब्रेक करना है तो इट विल बी व्हाट, इट विल बी इन डेसिमल्स, इट विल बी इन फ्रैक्शंस. So similarly algebraic expressions can also be broken into factors, but till one particular point. उसके बाद वो भी नहीं ब्रेक किए जा सकते. So for example यहाँ पे जैसे दिया हुआ है 4x square. 4x square is an algebraic expression. If I have to break it in factors, then it will be 4 into x, 4x square. So it will be 4 into x. 4 can be further broken into 2 into 2, which cannot be further broken into any whole number. So 4 becomes 2 into 2 and x square becomes x into x. So 2 into x into x is the product form of 4x square, and that is the simplest product form, that is the simplest factor form of expression 4x square. That is what is given here in this diagram. You can see the expression given is 4x square minus 3xy. There are two terms, 4x square minus 3xy. Factors 4xx. 4 is further broken into, you can say, 2 into 2. And minus 3xy is further broken into minus 3x into x. Then there is another expression 5xy plus 10. 5xy can be written as 5 into x into y. 10 can be written as 2 into 5. So they are the factors of that expression. Now the number, the numerical factor which is there. For example, in 5xy plus 10, what is the numerical factor here is 5. 5xy में numerical factor क्या है, 5. So that is called the coefficient. Numerical factor is said to be the numerical coefficient or coefficient of the term. So if I say 5xy, if I say 4x square, 4x square का numerical coefficient क्या है, 4. Minus 3xy का numerical coefficient क्या है, minus 3. Similarly, if I say minus 7x square y square, what is the coefficient, minus 7. अगर सिर्फ 10 है, there are terms, right? So for example, expression 5xy plus 10 is an expression. इसमें दो terms हैं, 5xy एक term है, 10 एक term है. First term is 5xy. So the coefficient here in first term is 5 and the variables are x and y. Second term is 10. 10 तो कांस्टेंट ही है, इसमें कोई वेरिएबल ही नहीं है. तो इसमें कोई कोएफिशिएंट नहीं होता है. कोएफिशिएंट होता है ओनली इन दोज टर्म्स जिसमें फिक्स्ड नंबर भी है, कांस्टेंट भी है एंड वेरिएबल भी है. तो वेरिएबल इज वेरिएबल एंड जो कांस्टेंट पार्ट है, जो न्यूमेरिकल पार्ट है, नंबर पार्ट है, दैट विल बी कॉल्ड एज कोएफिशिएंट. So in example 1, identify the expression terms which are not constant. So here they are given, you can see the solution is also given, expression xy plus 4. Term xy is not constant. Term 4 is constant. What is the numerical coefficient for term xy? It is 1. That is how you have to write the table. What are the example 2? What is the coefficient of x in the following expression? 4x minus 3y में क्या coefficient है x का? 4. 8 minus x plus y second expression में x का क्या coefficient है? Minus x है, यानी minus x can be written as minus 1 into x. Minus 1 is the coefficient. Y square x minus y, इसमें आपको x का coefficient निकालना है. You can't say x का coefficient is, can you say x का coefficient is y square? Yes, x का coefficient is y square, but it is not the numerical coefficient. It is the variable coefficient, so that is y square. Then next is 2z minus 5xz. इसमें x का coefficient is minus 5z, right? Now comes to like and unlike terms. What are like terms and what are unlike terms? So same algebraic factors are called like terms and different algebraic factors are called unlike terms. For example, 2xy minus 3x plus 5xy minus 4. इसमें same algebraic factors किसके आपको लग रहे हैं? 2xy and 5xy. Right, xy तो common same है, only the numerical coefficient is different. First term में 2xy है, so the numerical coefficient is 2. Third term में 5xy है, so the numerical coefficient is 5. But the algebraic factors are, the variable factors are the same, that is xy. The factors of 2xy are 2x and y. The factors of 5xy are 5x and y. Thus their algebraic factors are the same and hence they are like terms. Algebraic factors, those which contain variable. See, it is written here in the bracket. Algebraic um, algebraic factors are those, we are talking like and unlike term देखने के लिए, जिसमें हम तो वेरिएबल्स को कंसिडर करेंगे. देन इन सेकेंड एंड फोर्थ टर्म, सेकेंड में -3 है, फोर्थ टर्म में -4 है. यहाँ पे इनके वेरिएबल्स आर नॉट सेम, सो दे आर अनलाइक टर्म. देन कम्स व्हाट आर मोनोमियल्स, बाइनोमियल्स एंड ट्राइनोमियल्स. अगर एक एक्सप्रेशन में दो अनलाइक टर्म्स हैं, देन इट इज कॉल्ड बाई. मतलब क्या है? टू. मोनो मतलब वन, बाई मतलब टू, ट्राई मतलब थ्री. तो ऐसे बहुत सारे जब टर्म्स होंगे, देन इट विल बी कॉल्ड मोनो पॉलिनोमियल. Monomial is only one term. There will be only one term in the entire expression. So that is 7xy or -5x or 4 or 3z square. So यहाँ पे सिर्फ एक ही टर्म है. So these are called monomials. What are binomials? जहाँ पे दो अनलाइक टर्म होंगे, x plus y, x square y plus y, m minus 5, right? These are expressions जहाँ पे दो terms, दो अनलाइक terms होंगे. Three unlike terms जहाँ पर होंगे, they will be called trinomial. And जहाँ पे बहुत सारे terms होते हैं, so basically monomial, binomial, trinomial, they are all called polynomials. So 7x and 12y are pair of terms which are like and unlike terms here. So 7x and 12y, they are unlike. Second is 15x and minus 21x. They are like. Why? Because उनका variable part is same. First में 7x and 12y में variable part was not same. So they were unlike terms. Second में 15x and minus 21x. So here the variable part is same. So they are called like terms. Remember these simple steps. Ignore the numerical coefficients. When you are finding out like terms, unlike terms, ignore the numerical coefficients. Concentrate on the algebraic part of the term, that is the variable part of the term. Check the variables, they must be same. Check the power of each variable in the term, they must be same. Always remember the power should also be same. Like for example, यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है 3xy and 3x. You can say that x तो दोनों में ही है, but no, एक में 3xy है, एक में सिर्फ 3x है. So since there is an extra variable y in one term, so they are unlike terms. The variable should be same and with the same power. Like in 6xy square and 9x square y. So 6xy square है and 9x square y है. Both has x and y but with different powers. So it will be unlike terms.